Morning, everybody. It's Sunday after the tournament. I'm waiting for my client Russell. He should be here momentarily. He contacted Gulf Coast Kayak and booked a trip with yours truly. So here we are at beautiful Matlacha. I'm sorry, that's not Matlacha. No. This is not Matlacha. This is Matlacha Pass. That is Matlacha Pass. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is why we get up so early, people. Right there. Look at that sky. Look at these conditions. Glass. And I got bait jumping everywhere. Now, a little backstory here. I set my alarm for 4:45 and 5 o'clock. Well, evidently yours truly was a little more tired than he realized because he set it for PM, not AM. Luckily, Jennifer has to work this morning, and her alarm went off at 5:45. So here I am, all bushy, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. So I did manage to run by the bait shop. I got 2 dozen shrimp. I got a few frozen pinfish because there have been reports of some tarpon close. You know, there has been some tarpon posted about. Whether they're here or they're just launching from Pine Island and going somewhere else, which very well could be the case. But nonetheless, I have pinfish in case we see some. I got 1 big rod for my client, and if we see some tarpon rolling, I can throw on a frozen pinfish and throw that out and have the client hold on. So we'll see how that goes. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you all come back. And as soon as the client gets here, we'll get on the water. That is a nice snook. Big trout. Jack Crevalle. That's Russ. Nice job. Not bad at all. Beautiful fish. Love it. My first tarpon. Love it. There's something that'll have what you need. So my client Russ and I are out here. Where we wanted to go, there's no water. So we're kind of staying out here for a little bit. We got incoming in about 45 minutes. It's going to start coming in tide. So we're going to kind of hang around here and play on the outside around these islands where it's a little deeper, and until water gets in there. But I can tell you I pulled my way around there, and there's a ton of bait in there. So I think when the tide starts coming in, that place is going to be hot. So we're going to kind of hang out here, see what's around some of these islands, and once the tide comes in, hit that little cove. Then that's going to be the plan. So we'll see. Right over here, I saw a 6-foot tarpon jump twice out of the water. So that is just fantastic. I got the pinfish on a rod for Russell, or for Russ. He's going to toss it, and we're going to see if we can get him on a tarpon. Oh, that would be fantastic, hey. What you got? Yeah, it's a cat. Is it a sail cat?
Unfortunately, no. It was a hardhead.
Hardhead. Well, at least the skunk is off. Yep. You got pliers in your little pocket right there. Yeah. Pliers and lip grippers.
Quit now. Calm down. I'm going to let you go to calm down.
Those things are stupid. There you go. All right. Might be a trout, I'm assuming. A very, very small trout. There we go. Come here, guy. Come here. Nice little trout. Very pretty colors. Back in the water. All right. I got something in the mangrove up here. Almost looks like a kayak. Probably isn't, but I'm gonna go check it out. See if it's maybe something I can pluck out of there. I don't know what it is. It's definitely plastic. Oh, it looks like a bag. I got nothing to put it in. Huh. Some sort of bag or something. I got no way to get rid of it though. Maybe I could. Maybe we can. Let's go take a peek. I have to put my shoes on though. I'm not walking in this crap. This looks like a sleeping bag or something. Yeah, it's big though. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to strap it to my kayak or not. We're gonna get this out of here. That does not belong here. Let me put on my very stylish outfit here. It's like a sleeping bag. Oh God. I don't know what it is, but it don't belong here. Let's see, how can I do this? If I put, I don't know, I may have to get rid of my flag. Come on. Flag may have to go in there. And that might have to just sit there like that. I don't know if I have anything to tie it down with. Oh, actually I do. Oh, look at this. I can either sacrifice my anchor or I have a tow rope. Oh, look at that. Right there. Let's see if this will work. Let's see. I can clip to that. And maybe go around and clip to what? Clip to this. There we go. All right. All right. Another piece of Ian taken away. Always fun. Oh! Wow! Alrighty then. That thing like went around your whole boat. Yeah. Oh my. You're right. You might be in your rudder. Oh, there you go. Is he still wrapped in your rudder?
Yeah.
Is he still there?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. There he goes. There you go. He's hiding underneath me. That's a decent sized ladyfish. Oh, I just got off. I don't know. It was good size. And there's more of them. everybody. I'm back in the Jeep, so obviously the day is done. I want to thank Russ for coming out. This is his second trip with us here at Gulf Coast Kayak. He came out with us in January and fished with Mike. So it's cool to have a returning customer. We appreciate it. Fish were not exactly cooperative. I did not see any reds. Maybe saw one small red. Not exactly sure, but I did see two tarpon. Two 6-foot tarpons breached, and one I clearly saw twice. He breached twice. Clearly saw him. The other one I believe was a tarpon. I didn't get a good look at it, but it was the same kind of splash. So I'm pretty sure it was. Super cool. Super excited to see them. We saw multiple cobia. Only about this big, so there were smaller cobia. But I saw multiple cobias. So I'm very excited about that. Yeah, I mean, that little cove we were in, full of bait. So that's gonna be my kind of go-to area for a little bit here, I think. I might head out to Pine Island soon, because I haven't been back out there since the whole red tide dead fish thing. So that might be my next location. I might be going out of Pine Island again, but we'll see. So that's it. I want to thank you for all hanging. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Ring your notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. I'd like to thank my patrons. And if you are looking for a guide in Southwest Florida, or even just to rent kayaks, please go to gulfcoastkayak.com and you can book your reservations right from the website. And myself, Brian, and Diana will get you on the water, and you'll have a fantastic day no matter what you want to do. And until then, I'll see you out there.